That's our first potential trade idea. A short on the break and retest of 61,800, targeting the next demand zone. But remember, no breakout entries without confirmation. We want clear momentum and structure shift before committing. Next up, Ethereum. ETH has been stuck in a tight range between 3,350 and 3,550. The range is compressing, and that usually signals an explosive move is coming. Here's what we're watching. If ETH breaks above 3,550 with a strong 15-minute candle close, we're looking at potential longs up to 3,700. But if it fails and rejects that zone again, a short back into the mid-range is on the table. Range plays can be tricky, so we'll be patient and wait for a clean breakout. Let's check Solana. Sol has been trending bullish for the last 2 weeks, forming a clean ascending channel. Right now, it's retesting the lower trend line around the 138 level. This is a classic spot for a bounce, but we'll wait for a bullish engulfing candle or a break of structure to go long. If we lose 138 cleanly, it invalidates the trend, and we could look for shorts targeting 130. Now let's talk about our live trade. We've just entered a short on BTC after a clean break and retest of 61,800. Entry, 61,720. Stop loss, 62,100 target, 60,600. That gives us a 2.8 REITR setup. Solid risk to reward. Here's why we took this trade. 1. Clear lower high structure. 2. Break and retest of key level 3. Confirmation with volume spike 4. Confluence with bearish momentum on 15 and 5-minute timeframes. Always remember, it's not just about entry, it's about narrative. Why is the market likely to move in that direction? Now, while this trade runs, let's zoom out and look at the daily chart. On the higher time frames, Bitcoin is still in a macro bullish structure, but short-term, we're seeing weakness. This is the perfect environment for intraday scalps and short-term swing setups. Let's move over to market sentiment. Fear and greed index today is at 74. That's extreme greed. When everyone is overly bullish, it's often a time to be cautious or look for mean reversions. Volume is also dropping compared to last week, a sign that traders are either waiting or losing conviction. This often leads to choppy price action before a bigger move. That's why it's critical to stay disciplined and only trade clear setups. Now let's review some common mistakes traders make in live markets. 1. Entering without confirmation. 2. Trading mid-range with no bias. 3. Ignoring news or fundamental events. 4. Risking too much on one setup. 5. Chasing missed moves emotionally. Avoid these, and your edge instantly improves. Alright, let's check back on our BTC short. Price is currently at 61,240, moving toward target nicely. We're locking in partials at 61,400 and moving stop to break even. This protects capital while giving room to let the trade run. This is how professional traders operate: systematic, emotion-free, rules-based. Final note for today. Trading is about reacting, not predicting. We let the market tell us what to do. We don't force outcomes. The edge lies in waiting. Let's recap the key lessons from today. 1. Always start with key levels and market structure. 2. Wait for confirmation before entry. 3. Manage trades with clear targets and stop losses. 4. Protect capital with partial exits and break-even stops. 5. Stay emotionally neutral and patient. If you got value from this breakdown, hit subscribe for more real-time analysis and strategy content. This is Crypto Prop Academy, where you learn to think and trade like a funded professional. Catch you in the next session.